Did you know that nearly 75% of Americans have some form of gum disease? That's a staggering number. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of achieving a healthier smile. Stick around because your teeth deserve the best care. Welcome to our video on ultimate dental care tips for a brighter smile in 2024. We're super excited to share with you some simple yet effective strategies that can seriously enhance your oral hygiene. So, grab your toothbrush and let's get started on this journey to a dazzling smile. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Many people struggle with maintaining good dental health, and that can lead to issues like cavities, bad breath, and gum disease. It's a real challenge, right? Not only can these problems be painful, but they can also affect your confidence and overall health. Understanding these challenges is the first step toward improving your dental care routine. Trust me, you want to avoid those dreaded dentist visits for fillings or gum treatments. It's essential to recognize what can go wrong if we don't take care of our teeth properly. So, what can we do about it? Don't worry, here's the solution. Do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.